Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how you can grow on TikTok in 2025 even if you are starting with 0 followers. So these tips are beginner friendly, algorithm friendly and still working right now. So make sure that you stick around till the end to learn what makes your content go viral. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the first tip here would be post consistently. You need to try to post at least 1 to 3 videos every single day. Do not overthink of it, just focus on the quantity at first to find out your winning style. Now, the second tip would be to grab the attention fast with a question, problem, or the visual hook. If your viewers don't stay past 3 seconds, TikTok won't push the video. The third tip would here be mix the trends with your content type, like using the popular audio in tutorials, fitness, or cooking. It keeps your videos discoverable and relevant as well. Now, always use 3 to 4 hashtags only. You can combine the broad ones like For You page with the specific ones like plant care tips or tech hacks. So you need to keep your captions short but make them curiosity driven. And now you need to reply to every comment, duet other creators and stay active in your niche. The more you engage, the more the algorithm recognize your content as relevant. So you can try these tips in order to grow on TikTok in 2025 by posting smart, hooking fast and following up daily. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more social media tips and comment below if you want a full video on TikTok SEO or monetization next. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.